Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We're here in beautiful downtown Colorado Springs, Colorado. Absolutely amazing view we have here. We're going to look at a roof here, but man, let's take a look at this view. As you can see behind us is the Rockies. There's Pikes Peak out there. Absolutely astounding view. We've got a roof here that we're going to help this retired veteran out. Got a roof with some hail damage. Just a little too much hail, not one size hail will do to the roof. We'll just punch holes right in it. As you can see, it's an older roof by all means, but he's going to show us for USA for 50 years. We're going to be kind to help this gentleman out. Now you can see the roof is wore out, but the hail damage is really significant. We've got actual holes in the shingles, as you can see. So we'll get this thing approved and put a nice new roof on for this gentleman. Once again, let's take a look at this view. All right, guys, this is Sean with APC Roofing. You guys have a great day and be kind to each other.